This is a story about a man named Colonel who had a dream to share his delicious food with the world. He was born in a poor family in a small town. He had to quit school at a young age and work hard to support himself and his siblings. He had many jobs in his life, but none of them satisfied him. At the age of 65, he realized that there was more to life. He wanted to change things because he wasn't happy with how things were going. He loved cooking, especially chicken. He had a secret recipe that he had perfected over the years. He was proud of his chicken and wanted everyone to taste it. He decided to start his own business. He bought a car and converted it into a mobile chicken. He drove across the country, knocking on the doors of every restaurant he could find. He offered them his chicken recipe for free in exchange for a share of the profits. But no one was interested. They laughed at him, slammed the door on him, or ignored him. He faced rejection after rejection, but he never gave up. He believed in his chicken and himself. He kept driving and pitching his recipe, hoping to find someone who would appreciate his offer. He was 65 years old and he had nothing to lose. Finally, after 1009 rejections, he found his first customer. A restaurant owner agreed to try his chicken and was impressed by the taste and quality. He agreed to use his recipe and pay him a royalty. That was the beginning of his success. His chicken became popular and more restaurants joined his franchise. He became famous and wealthy. He was happy and fulfilled. That man was none other than Colonel Sanders, the person who started KFC. The story of Colonel Sanders teaches us that persistence, self-belief, and the courage to pursue our dreams against all odds can lead to remarkable success. Despite facing setbacks, Colonel Sanders never gave up on his passion. His unwavering determination and resilience remind us that setbacks are just part of the journey. The key is to keep pushing forward, believing in oneself and persevering through challenges.